In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Klaviyo. In order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com, input right here your email address that you wish to use, and then from in there proceed to sign up by following the on-screen instructions. Once you have done that, you should be able to have an account. Now proceed to click onto this login option in order to log into your created account. So this is actually my dashboard right here. In order to create discount codes, you need to head over here into this left sidebar, scroll down, and under the content, you should be able to find here the coupons option. So this will only be available if you have Shopify integrated or WooCommerce integrated right here. We have WooCommerce coupons, Shopify coupons, as well as uploaded coupons. In this case, let's choose Shopify coupons and click onto this create Shopify coupon. Input right here the coupon name. So for example, let's name this Summer 10. Can input the prefix as well as the type of discount. It can be a fixed amount, percentage, or free shipping. I'll just choose percentage and I'll input right here 10% off. And this off is actually applies to in the entire order. You can also choose specific products or collection. You can also require minimum purchasing right here. So for example, let's input right here minimum purchase of $50. Input right here the active dates as well as expiration if you would want. It can be after a year or a specific date. Once you're done with this, you can proceed to click on this create coupon. And then from in there, the coupon that you have created will be added right here. You can see in here the stock. Click onto this three dots, click onto this add codes, and input right here the codes that will be added to the summer 10. So for example, let's add in here some codes. And as you can see, you should be able to see in there the available codes added. And in here, this will create coupon and it may take some time as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.